So this looks very cozy. Hello my friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. So if you are new to this channel and wondering what's going on here, I'm in the process of setting up my car so that I can use it as my home on wheels. When I say my home on wheels, I'm going to sleep in this car during the nights while I'm camping in the woods, and also I'll be cooking outside of my car. So for you to understand what is going on here, I have made many videos and there is a link in the description below for the playlist. If you go and check out all those videos, so you'll be able to understand what is happening here. Today in this video, we are going to look at my mattress. So I'm going to talk about the bed, what I have purchased, the material, how it's going to withstand all the weathers, things like those. Okay, so this video is going to be pretty interesting one as I talk more about the details of this mattress. Okay, let's check this out. So this is the mattress which I have shown in my previous videos. So this is a foldable mattress, okay, a lightweight foldable mattress. So it folds in 3 parts. Okay, right now I'm going to talk about the material which has been used inside and how this thing was designed. Okay, let me bring you guys much closer to this. Okay, so as I said, this is the mattress. So it folds in 3 parts. Okay, let me quickly open this. Okay, so this is how it is going to be when I am ready to sleep. Okay, I'm going to use a bed sheet and all. I'm going to show that all to you in this video, how I'm going to sleep. Okay, so let me quickly open the mattress. Okay, so right now I'm quite zoomed in so that you can see how this thing is actually designed. So there is a zipper. So there are 3 parts and they are individual. Okay, so they are not dependent on each other. So they are 3 parts stitched together using a cloth. All right, so if I remove the cloth, everything gets separated. All right, so there is a zipper. If I open the zipper, so here is the material which was used in this mattress. Let me quickly bring this out a bit without tearing the cloth. Okay, so the material which is being used is called a polyurethane foam. All right, so it is a flexible foam which is now basically used in home furnishing like furnitures, bedding and carpet underlay, which is a thin layer of cushioning. That's the material which is being used here. So it's made with polyurethane foam and it is very much durable. Okay, now when it comes to the comfort part, this is the most common type of mattress foam often used as an upper comfort layer, and it is a lot more bouncy than a memory foam. So the polyurethane foam, it acts as an excellent insulation. All right, and it has a good compression strength. Okay, so when I press it, you can see it comes back to its original state. So it is very strong and it is reasonably inexpensive. I have bought this mattress for 1000 rupees. It's very cheap and it is going to last for quite a long time. So when I talk about safety of this mattress, it's just like almost every other substance on the earth. The polyurethane foam releases gases when exposed, but don't worry, it's not going to hurt. Okay, when I talk about the durability, it depends upon the conditions and the usage. It can easily last for 5 to 10 years. Okay, so the clouds are coming in and it's about to rain, so I'm going to talk as quickly as possible, okay? All right, so continuing on talking about this particular mattress, it is resistant of water, oil, mold, mildew and fungus, things like those. It is resistant to all of that, and it is capable of performing in harsh conditions, like if it's hot outside, then it's going to take that heat. And it also has high weight bearing capacity. So I'm like 87 kilograms, so I think it's nothing when I sleep on this. And it also possesses high tear resistant. It's not going to get tear easily, so this is a quite strong material which I am using as a mattress. And also it is very good electrical insulating material, so that's one of the advantages. So this is all about the mattress which I am going to use going forward. Alright, so this is pretty much it. This is how I'm going to set this thing up when I'm ready to sleep during the nights. And what am I going to use for pillows? I have a solution for that also. Alright, let me show that to you guys. Okay, so as far as the pillow is concerned, I'm going to use this item which is nothing but an inflatable pillow. So what I'm going to do is, there it is, ready to be used. Okay, not going to hurt you. Don't worry, not going to hurt you. Oh no! I think I'm going to hold this quite firmly. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Finally, he's on this paper. Go! So I'm going to unfold the blanket completely. I'll tell you the reason why I'm going to do that. Coming from here. I think I'm going to move the middle row a bit towards the back. Alright, so there it is. So I have spread the blanket on top of this mattress. As you can see, there are two foldings. So this blanket is 6 feet by 6 feet, and the mattress is 3 feet by 6 feet. So what is the advantage? So the advantage is, if it is cold, I can unfold one of the layers, use that part to cover myself, to keep myself warm during the nights. Okay, all right, let me try to sleep in here and show it to you guys. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm 5'9", and there is enough space for me to spread my legs and sleep very comfortably. So the rest of the items, I'm going to place them in both the front seats during the night, so that I can get enough space to sleep in the car. So this looks very cozy. I'm feeling very happy about this. So right now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to lower the mirrors and I'm going to attach the mosquito net and see how the wind flow is. Okay. I have actually lowered the mirrors of my car windows, and I'll sleep now and see if I can feel wind coming inside of this car. Okay, let me check that out. All right, so actually I can feel a little wind, and I can also see that this mosquito net is moving front and back because of the wind. So it purely depends how strong the wind is blowing. Okay, so I think this is actually going to work out. All right guys, so that was my camping mattress setup. So that is what I'm going to use going forward. Right now I'm hungry, so I think it's time for me to cook something. Oh yeah, it smells so nice. That's a juicy apple. Wow. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you in this video. So I hope you have liked this setup, and as I keep saying, I will definitely someday go into the woods and camp for maybe like a couple of days and go on a trek, things like those. So I'm just waiting for that day to arrive, and I'll be glad on that day. And I have many awesome videos lined up for you guys, which will be coming up on this channel in the near future. Thank you guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.